Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We put the Christmas tree up finally. Royal family, let's get into it.
Christmas tree.
But what is it time to do?
Christmas tree putting up time, I guess. I don't know.
It's time to put up the Christmas tree. We are late. We should have did this Thanksgiving. I don't know why we waited this late.
This is heavy.
The royal family. It's the royal family.
What's up, YouTube? We are about to put up our Christmas tree. It is the 18th of December.
Oh my God.
Oh my Lord. CJ, are you okay?
Come on, Skylar.
Say hey, Skylar.
Hi.
CJ's friend Skylar is over. If y'all don't know her, she is Yandy's daughter. Skylar, she came over because she wanted to spend time with CJ.
Yep.
So she's gonna help us put up the Christmas tree too. I've been begging Clarence.
I've been begging Queen.
No, you haven't.
I'm begging you.
CJ has been begging us, but I've been begging Clarence. No.
And I've been begging Legend.
Yes, we all been begging each other to just let's get this Christmas tree up. Hopefully we got everything we need, y'all, because I'm not gonna lie, they didn't have no little ornament hooks in the stores. So hopefully we find them in this old bin here. Last year, as y'all know, we had 2 Christmas trees in our other place. We did these ornaments. We did like rose
I
gold.
don't see them hook things.
Please God, let us have the hooks, please. If we don't have the hooks, we can't put up the ornaments.
Yeah, then we got to save them for tomorrow.
No, we gotta put the tree up.
Oh,
No,
this is fireworks.
Let's do it in the house.
I might have to order hooks from
Let's
Amazon.
do
No
it in
lie.
the house. That's what would happen if you let kids run the house right there. Look,
What, fireworks?
fireworks in the house.
This year we are doing. CJ actually picked out the ornaments, didn't you? We went.
Is this candy canes? Can I eat one?
No, that's fake. We're doing this color and we're doing green. So basically Christmas colors. And we got some extra ornaments. We got like the snowman. We're putting the Christmas tree right here. So when you walk in the house, you will be able to see it. You're gonna be able to see it right there. The tree will be right here behind the couch. As y'all can see. Clarence is doing all the heavy lifting. Hey.
It's not connected.
How can I?
You gotta connect all the trees, right? You need to connect every piece to the next piece.
Now we're trying to find a connector piece, y'all. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. 1 second, we have to find the connectors. Be right back. Legend singing Christmas carols. Go ahead and say, we wish you a merry.
I wish very honest. I wish very honest.
What's that?
Who is it? It's the Warren Familia. Hi. +1. Ooh, your wig is cute, girl.
What up, though? Hi.
Hi, mamas.
What's up, bro?
Y'all, we just now putting up our Christmas
How
tree.
you feeling?
We ain't even put one up, so. You didn't? What's up, CJ? Y'all better do that.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Legend, give Legacy a hug. See the baby? Wait, soft, soft, soft. Huggy.
Nice
Yo,
hug.
look, why is he doing that? He's killing me with it.
Look, Legacy's like, I don't know. You see the baby?
Look.
He looked at her, he said, baby. Ready? Let's count. Say, ready? 1,
2, 3.
Aw, she going away. Oh, she's like, hold on. She's scared. Wait. Okay. She's scared. Yay.
One hug.
Oh, he's so sweet. He want to give everybody a hug. He said, welcome to my house.
Yay, Legend. You have 5. Yay.
Give her boom. Give him boom.
Come on, y'all ready?
Christmas tree train.
Yo, nah.
Okay. Armand, if I was pushing it, how can you?
Bro, look.
Oh,
Look
this
at
is
the
nice.
kiss. Because I look at
You want to get out? Okay, come on. Let's get out. Want to see you? Say hi.
Look, he done ducked
Say
out.
hi.
Go to the Howard family, you too.
The Harris family. Say hi, Legacy.
Hi Skylar. Hi Legacy.
Say thank you so much, Auntie, for my gift. Huh?
Me too.
What? You want Yeah. Y'all, it's chaotic right now in the house. Legend wants to be a part of it so bad.
Y'all gotta get off at the next stop. Yeah, y'all made it to your stop now.
They're trying to see who she go to.
Oh, mommy's dying. No.
Now you gotta use that. Not the diet.
No, coming to me.
Thank you.
Come lay with that. No! Come on, I got juice too. I got you. Look, legs. No.
Juice got it. Juice got it.
Oh my God.
It's the juice. She went over with the
I was a baby that liked juice too, so I see you, Legacy. She said the juice wins.
Nuh-uh. No. Don't go over here. Nah. That's how you gonna do me.
So the
She said I want all the juice.
tree is up. But the only thing is, y'all, we doing this a ghetto way.
We don't have any hooks. We're supposed to put a hook and then hook it on, but we're
You
just
gotta
trying
hook it on the hole.
We're sticking the tree through here,
Sticking the tree, the little branch, see?
which is like,
Through there, like that. I don't think this is gonna work for too long though. Babe, do you think we should just wait till tomorrow?
should probably wait.
But as y'all can see, we saved the tree, and it's all because of me, because Clarence is gonna...
Whoa, get me.
No, chill out, because you was gonna throw out this tree last year you wanted to throw out the
I
tree.
know you said, but I'm saying that I brought the tree up.
Oh yes, he brought the tree up.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, come on, macho man, yeah.
And I kept saying,
You kept what?
I kept bothering you about let's put
Clarence, no you was not.
and, you know, that's crazy.
Bruh, you're
Claire, please be careful. That fan is up there. You know, that fan is real close to your head.
crazy.
That's crazy.
Babe, I kept telling you, babe, we gotta put the tree. Let's put the tree. Let's put the tree.
I kept saying that.
Okay, so we kept telling each other that, obviously.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Appreciate that.
So I guess we're gonna wait on the hooks, but as y'all can see, Legend is playing with all the candy canes. It looks so nice, though. Well, let's just turn this. Ooh, look at that. Yeah.
Legend, Christmas tree.
Look, Legend, do you like it? Yes, we put clothes on Legend because
He's in the naked phase.
yeah, he likes to take his clothes off, so I had to put him back on. What you about to do?
I'm gonna put the snowman on here.
Go put the snowman on here.
Okay.
That's where you want to put it?
No, I'm put it right. I'm put it right here. I want to put it right here. Choo 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 choo. Right there.
Turn him around. CJ, don't punch him. Lord, why you want to punch everything?
Punch some of your own stuff.
What do y'all think if I just went, instead of the balls, just bought a bunch of more like different ornaments and like little bows to put in here and did that instead of the balls?
Comment that in the comment section.
She be thinking. I think it's cute. And we could probably do both too, but I like the snowman in it.
I don't know. I feel like you gotta at least fill it, maybe with some balls.
So put some balls
maybe
in
a
it?
few, just not as much as you probably would.
Yeah,
What's
like
this?
not all balls.
Oh, it's a holy Bible.
Yeah, show 'em.
Okay.
We got Holy Bible here. Yes, y'all. We gotta keep the Jesus Christ up in here. You know what I'm
And then
saying?
we have black. I don't know who he is, but
He's
Absolutely. Put the Bible up there, y'all.
a
just
black
right there.
band member or something. Listen,
Yeah,
let me
right.
tell y'all this though. I didn't grab Santa because they didn't have a black one.
Yeah, get you a black Santa. And I'm glad they got a black drummer guy.
I'm sorry. I love all people of all colors, but I really wanted a black Santa in the house. There was no black Santa, so there's no Santa on the tree.
Target doesn't sell black Santa. That's crazy.
I'm sure they do, but maybe all the black people hurry up and went to go get it.
That's crazy. We need more black Santas in Target.
Don't say that.
My fault. I'm sorry for violence.
But yeah, tell them, CJ. Say-
Okay.
say-
It doesn't matter about the color.
You're right.
Because people is
People is what?
is
It's equal.
It's equal.
Equal.
People are equal.
Everybody equal. Check them out.
Oh,
Those are
yeah.
nice socks, man.
order
Pronounce it out.
No,
Pronounce it.
ornaments.
Pronounce it out.
Ornaments.
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 Yep. Go ahead.
ORNAMENTS.
Nah.
No. That's how you spell ornaments.
Ornaments?
Babe, are you tripping?
NM?
No, he said ORN.
Good job, CJ.
A. Orna.
No, he didn't say A.
Yes, he did.
He did? Oh, my
Yes.
fault. My fault.
Go
I
ahead,
think
keep
it's
going.
the M.
Keep going. Ornaments.
Legend, what's wrong?
Ornament. No. Ornament.
Good job. You did it. All right, you can put up a couple more now.
He's looking at me like.
He's so smart, CJ. Good job.
Legacy, you don't want to open your gift that I bought you? You don't want to open it? Give the camera a kiss. Give the camera a say kissy. CJ and Legend, turn around, smile. Legend, say cheese.
How did you do that?
Legend, say cheese. CJ, turn around, say cheese. No, I need a thumbnail. So we showing
Y'all have a
them.
good camera. Don't feel like
We showing them our new camera. We used to be Team Canon G7X, but
But
look,
now it's Team Sony.
Team Sony
With the little
ZV1.
fairy on top.
Okay, this don't have to.
Don't act like we look.
I miss you though. I miss you. I love you. I love you.
You know what? Get this.
You want some mac and cheese? Okay, she says she is hungry. Clarence is in a frenzy right now.
Fall back up there. Fall there. Throw it back up there. Why are they down?
All the balls are spread it out on the floor. Yeah.
Spread them out up there. Up there. Throw them up there.
Clarence he's over it.
Go up there. Bring it. You too. Yep. Everybody know you too, Legend. Go up there.
Watch the baby. She near the stairs.
How'd you guys feel about a royal family collab and a Warren Familia collab? Let us know in the comments below what we should do. Why am I you so short? I know. I'm like,
Get down here.
let me know what y'all think we should do.
Yeah, give us some ideas. In the
Give us some
comments.
ideas.
Yeah. I'm just tired.
I want to see it.
I promise you.
But yeah, no, we are tired. Honestly, the house is a mess. The kids have destroyed the house. We will wake up in the morning and probably go to the store and get some hooks.
Did you show you? Oh, they've seen the tree.
This vlog is not over. Oh, babe, we never showed your gifts. We need to do that next.
Yo, gifts?
Period.
You saw it.
His birthday gifts. He never got to show his birthday gifts. Bye, baby girl.
Okay, see y'all. Look.
Blow the camera a kiss.
Say,
Say mwah.
say mwah. Say
Okay.
mwah.
She just 1 point today.
Say mwah.
Yay. Okay.
Say mwah. Blow a kiss.
You know how
Say
kids do. They do stuff off
No,
camera.
say love you.
Love you. Aww.
Wait, see, normally.
Aww, that's so sweet.
Thank you.
That's so sweet.
Look, she giving me all the. You know she can't leave her out.
The familia.
Morning.
It's the next morning. What you about to do?
Make some cereal.
What kind of cereal do you eat? Here.
I'm gonna eat Christmas crunch.
Christmas crunch, y'all. I'm gonna make some French toast. I don't know about you, CJ. CJ said he don't want no French toast.
Yeah.
You pour without spilling it, you sure? Wait, you pour the milk first? As y'all can see, the tree is lit up over there. I'm gonna have Clarence go run to Home Depot and get the ornament hooks. You sure you got that?
Yeah, Ma, I got it. No worries.
I think you need some help.
Nah, Ma, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, he's so grown.
Oh God, you need help.
You
need help?
I need help.
Okay. Good morning, Legend. Why you taking off your socks? All right, y'all, I'm about to whip up some French toast. Let me show y'all how I whip it up. This is cinnamon toast dust. Look at that, y'all. I'm gonna sprinkle that one after the fact. Vanilla extract, some cinnamon. You need eggs, of course, to dip the bread in. I got some brioche. Wait, some brioche bread. I don't know, brioche or brioche. And you need some butter. I'm gonna start whisking the eggs. Legend, put your shirt back on. Why you naked? I told y'all, look at this. We put clothes on him and he always do this. He always take it off. It's like he like to be naked now. Put your clothes on, Legend. CJ. Now, this is what the mix looks like, y'all.
Hey, Claire.
I like little cinnamon dots in there and stuff. I'm gonna dip the bread in there, put some butter on this pan, and fry it up, y'all. This is how the French toast is looking right now. It's cooking on the other side. And it's gonna be really good. I'm gonna sprinkle the cinnamon dust on there afterwards. It's gonna be good. We got some breakfast potatoes going. And the bacon is done. Babe, do you want eggs? Okay, how many of y'all cook y'all eggs in a saucepan or just a regular pan? I started doing it in a saucepan because for some reason, they make better, softer, and like fluffier. Sprinkle a little cheese in there, some more cheese. 'Cause I know you gotta have cheese. Perfecto. And by the hell. Look at that, y'all. Chef Queen.
That looks good.
It's amazing.
The kids are putting on the ornaments. Legend just... Oh, you need help, Papa Bear? Let mommy help you. We got green, red, and peppermint colored.
And look at this one.
That's nice, ain't it? You can see through that one. This year we didn't get no not curtains. What is it called? The stuff that is so hard for me to put on a ribbon. But we'll probably try to get some. No, not to start a ribbon that goes in the tree. So we're just gonna keep filling this up, y'all, until it just gets filled. All right, y'all. So this is the end result of the tree. Honestly, I feel like we're not done yet. I feel like we should have some more things on here. I think we should have some more ornaments. When I say ornaments, I mean like these kind, not the balls. It's enough balls. I think we should put like more things on there. Got the Holy Bible. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. And we should have a star at the top. So we might do some more, y'all. We literally have 6 days to wrap gifts. We have 2 more wrapping papers in the garage. I think it should be enough. And this is not even all the gifts that's still in the room. We gotta wrap. What is y'all doing?
He has mad energy right now.
And then these are the stockings, y'all. We still need to design in this house, y'all. We still gotta put a picture there and all of that. But these are the stockings. They never have a Q, so I had to put in for Naija. Clarence got the white C because he's Mr. White. And all of us got red because there was no more like white ones. So yeah, that's how it looks so far. We need to do a lot more to this house, I'm not gonna lie. Mom trying to kick CJ out right now because I'm about to have him go jump on the trampoline with his friends. You wanna go jump on the trampoline with your friends?
Yeah.
I'm about to call them over. You can both
Where's
go.
Clarence?
What is you doing?
This kid is bored. He's bored. You need to go outside, put some pants on.
Alright, y'all, so before CJ goes to bed, he is going to make his Christmas list. And where we're gonna put it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take away Santa and put letters to who? Who's really Santa?
You.
So letters to Mommy Santa. I'm Mommy Santa. CJ's list. Oh, okay. I see how you put the little punctuation. Okay.
ES.
Oh,
5.
snaps. You want a PS5? You want a PS5? What you gonna do with the
Play it.
Xbox?
Make some more money. But it's
Are you gonna sell it?
Yeah, it's gonna be for $30.
You're gonna sell your Xbox for $30?
Huh?
I think you should sell it for a little bit more than that. Mommy paid a little bit more.
800 million.
800 million. That's too much. What's your next thing on your list?
Little.
Oh, hold on. You need one more T there. You gotta make your Christmas list right.
Everything doesn't have to be perfect, Mommy.
When you spelling, it should be perfect.
Everything doesn't have to.
But when you spelling, it should be perfect, right?
But
Don't you want to get it right? Oh Lord, you talking about that Mustang you seen inside the Target? CJ, you don't even go outside by yourself. CJ will not ever go outside by himself.
Well,
He always too scared. You a chicken.
I'm not afraid anymore.
No, you're a chicken.
I'm not afraid.
Next. What else you want?
anymore.
What else you want?
He shouldn't be by himself though. It's too many crazy drivers, but I think he can do it. I just think, you gotta watch him.
I put all the things you want. Don't just be thinking of stuff. Make sure you really want it. It's the hardest decision of your life. Did you start? CJ. You gotta hurry up. The camera's gonna die. You gotta show them your list.
Okay, I'm done with my list now.
You wanna show me what's on your list? Let's read what's on your list. CJ's list. Okay, you want PS5, a little Mustang, An iPhone 12. What the heck? Fidgets. You got a bunch of fidgets, but ooh, I need a feeling. Ew. What kind of fidgets?
Hobbits and the stings, monkey noodles.
Monkey noodles. All right, I gotta look that up on Amazon.
And
Front teeth. CJ, you have front teeth already. Let me see your front teeth. Smell. You have your front teeth. You want some more front teeth?
yeah, right here, right there.
Oh, you want those? I don't think you get front teeth right there. Smell. Yeah, you have all your teeth right.
Yeah, it looks nice, CJ.
What about this?
It's just a gap.
It's a big gap.
I think it's gonna come in. What's this?
Oh, you're still handsome.
Okay.
And other toys.
That is not how you spell other.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Let's see, he's smart. He said, and whatever else you gonna give me.
AHOR. Adore.
No, it's other. Okay, baby. Well, it's bedtime,
And I need to watch my FGTV movie.
he gotta go finish his show. And what did mommy say? If you want to get your gifts, then you gotta what?
Do my chores.
Do your chores and make sure you.
And watch Legend.
I don't know. I say watch Legend. All right. Tell them good night.
Good.
Blow them a kiss.
Peace out, boo.